2, 1, start. The issue of maintainability was initiated, discussed by the apex court in the case of Ajay Hasia and others versus Khalid Mujib Sehrawadi and others, 1981 1 SCC 722 full stop. It was mainly in reference to Article 12 of the Constitution of India full stop. The issue of maintainability of the writ petition against a private body not falling under the definition of state or its authority under Article 12 of the Constitution of India needs to be considered under Article 226 of the Constitution of India full stop. For ready reference, Article 12 and 226 of the Constitution of India are quoted hereunder. 12 definition in this part, unless the context otherwise requires, the state includes the government and parliament of India and the government and the legislature of each of the states and all local or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India full stop. Power of high courts to issue certain writs full stop. Notwithstanding anything in Article 32, every high court shall have powers, throughout the territories in relation to which it exercises jurisdiction, to issue to any person or authority, including in appropriate cases, any government, within those territories directions, orders or writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibitions, quo warranto and certiorari, or any of them, for the enforcement of any of the rights conferred by Part 3rd and for any other purpose, full stop. The power conferred by Clause 1 to issue directions, orders or writs to any government, authority or person may also be exercised by any high court exercising jurisdiction in relation to the territories within which the cause of action, wholly or in part, arises for the exercise of such power, notwithstanding that the seat of such government or authority or the residence of such person is not within those territories, full stop. Where any party against whom an interim order, where by way of injunction or stay or in any other manner, is made on, or in any proceedings relating to, a petition under clause 1, without furnishing to such party copies of such petition and all documents in support of the plea for such interim order, and giving such party an opportunity of being heard, makes an application to the High Court for the vacation of such order and furnishes a copy of such application to the party in whose favor such order has been made or the counsel of such party, the High Court shall dispose of the application within a period of 2 weeks from the date on which it is received or from the date on which the copy of such application is so furnished, whichever is later, or where the High Court is closed on the last day of that period before the expiry of the next day afterwards on which the High Court is open, and if the application is not so disposed of, the interim order shall, on the expiry of that period, or, as the case may be, the expiry of the aid next day, stand vacated, full stop. The power conferred on a high court by this article shall not be in derogation of the power conferred on the Supreme Court by clause 2 of article 32 full stop.